In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate mousse. Warm up 80 ml of cream in a small pan. Add 30 g of sugar. Lastly, add 80 g of dark chocolate chips. Keep stirring until the chocolate has fully melted. Beat 160 ml of cream with electric mixer. When it looks like this, and it doesn't move when you hold it sideways, it's ready to use. Gently add the whipped cream little at a time to the cooled down chocolate mixture from before. Pour it in 4 dessert glasses. Smoothen the surface with the back of a spoon. Cover them with lids or plastic wrap and let them set in the fridge for at least an hour. Add the chocolate sprinkles right before serving. One day I had some leftover cream and I made the chocolate mousse with less cream. It surprisingly had a nice firm cheesecake-like texture. I'm going to make that now in 4 different flavors. This is 80 g of white chocolate that I melted in 40 ml of cream, divided to 2 glasses. This is 40 g of salted caramel milk chocolate that I melted in 20 ml of cream. This is 40 g of dark chocolate that I melted in 20 ml of cream. Beat 80 ml of cream and divide it by 4 equal portions. This is the white chocolate one with an extra tablespoon of green tea powder. Gently mix it with a small spoon.